Let's review how to find the area of rectangles. First, rectangles are four-sided closed figures where opposite sides are equal and all vertices have 90-degree angles. When we talk about area, we are referring to the amount of space inside a shape. Area is measured in square units. The rectangles you see here have side lengths given in centimeters, so their areas will be measured in centimeters squared. At the bottom of the screen, you can see what 1 centimeter squared looks like. So when we are finding the area of one of these rectangles, we are calculating how many square centimeters fit inside these shapes. Let's have a look at the first one here, this gray rectangle with a length of 3 centimeters and a width of 2 centimeters. How many square centimeters fit inside? Well, we could draw in some grid lines, and very clearly then we can see that this rectangle has an area of 6 centimeters squared. With the blue rectangle, it is 5 centimeters by 2 centimeters. We could call that the length and the width, or you might call that the base and the height. Either one's fine. We can see that inside this shape, we have exactly 10 centimeters squared. That's the area. We don't have to draw the grid lines in. Is there another way that we could find the area? Have a look at this orange rectangle. It is 5 centimeters by 3 centimeters. What would the area be? It's 15 centimeters squared, and I can see that 5 centimeters multiplied by 3 centimeters will give me that area too. I can think about that as 3 groups of 5 centimeters. I could think about that as 5 groups of 3 centimeters, or I can picture in those grid lines. Any of these methods will give me that area. Look at this purple rectangle. The area here is going to be 7 centimeters times 1 centimeter, or 7 centimeters squared. And our last one, we have a rectangle that is 4 centimeters by 4.5 centimeters. In this case, we can see that our area is 18 centimeters squared. You see when I draw in the grid lines, I have partial centimeters squared, but 2 of these will make 1 centimeter squared, and another 2 here, that's another centimeter squared. So we don't have to have this centimeter square block fitting exactly as is inside of these shapes. But if we take any little bits and pieces that we end up with and put them together, that would be our total. So again, area of rectangles, multiply the length by the width to get the area, which is the inside of that shape.